Yes.
My lord, I'm coming at page number 77, my lord.
Yes.
This notice has been issued by the BPSC, my lord, having the signature of the secretary of the BPSC, Satprakash Sarma, IAS, secretary. Manyavar, that is issued on 25th of December 2024, my lord. मान्यवर, बिहार लोक सेवा आयोग पटना के कार्यालय में दिनांक 30/10/2024 को 4 बजे अपराह्न में आयोग द्वारा आयोजित की जाने वाली विभिन्न परीक्षाओं के संबंध में पटना स्थित विभिन्न कोचिंग संस्थानों के संचालकों को के साथ विचार विमर्श करने हेतु एक बैठक आहूत की गई है। कृपया कोचिंग संस्थान के संचालक सह संचालक के साथ उक्त बैठक में भाग लेने का कष्ट करें। अंडर विच प्रोविजन ऑफ लॉ, under which provision of notification, under which provision of rule, the BPSC is inviting the private coaching center to have the discussion with regard to the examination conducted by the constitutional body. Nowhere, none of the PCS, other state PCS invite any of the public, that is the private coaching center, my lord. This is the first time in the history of India, the BPSC, who is a constitutional organization, inviting the private coaching.
That's right. Can we get an idea about the agenda of the meeting?
Yes, my lord. I'm coming on, my lord. Everything I'm coming, my lord. My lord, kindly turn at page number 78. It will become very clear. 78, my lord. 78. Next to next page. 78. I read, my lord. परीक्षा के लिए कोचिंग संचालकों से ली प्रतिक्रिया। बीपीएससी 70 संवाददाता बिहार लोक सेवा आयोग ने पहली बार बुधवार को पटना के कोचिंग संचालकों को आमंत्रित किया। कोचिंग संचालकों से बीपीएससी 78 की परीक्षा के बारे में फीडबैक लिया गया। इस दौरान पूछा गया कि आयोग की परीक्षा को लेकर आपकी क्या राय है। इसमें भाग लेने आए शिक्षकों ने अपनी बात रखी और सुझाव भी दिए। आयोग ने कोचिंग संचालकों से अपील की है कि परीक्षा से संबंधित कोई भी गलत जानकारी को फैलने से रोके। यह शिक्षकों की जिम्मेदारी है। खासकर नॉर्मलाइजेशन को लेकर कई प्रश्न पूछे गए थे। आयोग ने बताया कि इस बार बदले हुए स्वरूप में परीक्षा होगी। प्रत्येक जिलों के प्रश्न पत्रों का रंग अलग होगा। आयोग ने बताया कि कई शिक्षकों से प्रश्न पत्रों का सेट लिया जाता है। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आयोग ने बताया कि कई शिक्षकों से प्रश्न पत्रों का सेट लिया जाता है जिसका प्रश्न पत्र छप रहा है। इसकी जानकारी किसी को नहीं होती है। अंडर विच प्रोविजन द बीपीएससी इज टेकिंग द मॉडल क्वेश्चन ऑफ द प्राइवेट कोचिंग सेंटर। यूपीएससी नेवर डू दिस थिंग। सील बंद होता है। कोचिंग संचालकों को आयोग की प्रश्न पत्रों की सेटिंग के बाबत प्रतिक्रिया जानने के लिए बुलाया था। आयोग के सचिव सत्यप्रकाश शर्मा ने बताया कि 11 से 15 नवंबर के बीच छात्रों के साथ संवाद किया जाएगा। यह संवाद बापू सभागार में होगा। इस बार 2131 पदों के लिए 4 लाख छात्रों ने अब तक आवेदन किया। Do the BPSC have ever conducted any meeting with the students in बापू सभागार or anywhere? The answer is no. आवेदन की अंतिम तिथि 4 नवंबर है। वही परीक्षा 13 दिसंबर को होनी है। बैठक में बीपीएससी परीक्षा की तैयारी कराने हेतु गुरु रहमान, खान सर, एस उपाध्याय, डॉक्टर बीसी झा सहित तमाम बड़े कोचिंग संस्थानों के शिक्षक और निदेशक मौजूद थे। My question is under which provision? Reason they take the question, model question. There is no as such law, and the UPSC examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission have never invited any coaching center and not even any PCS, my lord, of the state.
You have said that. If you repeat, you eat away in your own time.
No, my lord. No, I'm coming in briefly, my lord. No, I'm coming at page number, my lord. 87, my lord. My lord, Khan Coaching Center, that is the Global Khan, properly known as the Khan Sir, in Bihar, my lord, in Patna. They have invited them. They have taken the mock. 87. 87.
Annexure 13.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
What is this?
My lord, from the coaching center, that is the Khan Global Studies, properly known as in Bihar, Khan Sir, 24 question came directly in a BPC prelims examination. The question which has come in the Khan, taken from the Khan mock test, that I have annexed, my lord. That is from 87 to 108. What the question has been asked in BPSC and what was there in the Khan Global Studies coaching mock test, my lord.
Yes.
Now I am coming at page number.
क्या नाम है इसका? Mr. Advocate, you can continue with your argument. We will not put it on the day of public interest litigation. We'll hear you from this point on 17th when the court reopens after holy holidays. Second half we cannot continue because there are other matters. The bench would not be in the same composition. Otherwise we would have continued with the hearing.
My lord, can it be on 18th, my lord? 18th, my lord.
No. Because the advocates appearing for private parties whose cases also are tied up with your PIL. Now they would not want adjournment on any count because they are pressing for
So-
extension of the date. So 18th,
No, it's fine. Can it be on top of the board, my lord? My lord, can it be on top of the board, my lord?
On top of the board, 10:30.
Yes, my lord. Because on that day, I have matter in a Delhi High Court, my lord. That's why I'm
In the
requesting.
meantime, BPSC, Mr. Lalit Kishore, you are appearing for BPSC. BPSC should not, I mean, have you filed response to the petition? You have only questioned his locus. No. On merits. Have you responded? No, please respond on merits.
My lord, one submission, my lord. It is humble request, my lord.
Please respond on merits. That would be a composite.
My lord, kindly allow to submit one line, my lord. It is humble request.
Those four petitions BPSC has already made.
All right.
My lord,
You say
humble
that
request, my
on
lord.
merits you adopt that.
Yes.
All right.
My lord, humble request from my side. One line, my lord.
The difficulty here is this: you would have accepted it, but you must let the counsel for the petitioner also know that this is the affidavit in their case.
Mr. Pandey will serve. So ultimately whom?
Now, just a minute, Mr. Advocate,
to,
appearing virtually.
Abhijit Anand, my lord. Abhijit Anand. Abhijit Anand, my lord.
Anand, who will accept the counter affidavit on your behalf? Yeah,
They can send on email, my lord.
name a counsel, local counsel, or the person who had received the supplementary affidavit.
He will be
served.
He is in Delhi, my lord. For this purpose, for filing the rejoinder, they have come to Patna, my lord. He resides in Delhi, my lord.
He will go back to Delhi. Where is that fellow who had come? The trustee.
Yes, my lord. On Sunday, he will return back to Delhi, my lord.
All right. Before Sunday, give the counter affidavit which you have already filed. Here you one after the other. See, they have filed affidavit only to the extent of questioning the locus of the trust. The Advocate General, in his wisdom and with his experience, has cautioned you also because you are still a student. Claim yourself to be a trustee. Nonetheless, we are not going to do anything which will affect you adversely. We are absolutely against any idea of troubling the students. But so far as, see, the local lawyer withdrew from the case because of some reason or the other, because of your trust. Now, they intend to file the same counter affidavit which they have filed in the writ petitions. In this, Angrezi samajhta hai? In the writ petitions, private parties have approached. So that would be the counter affidavit of the commission in this case also. So therefore, you can accept it today. All right, today. All right, yes.
My lord, one sentence, my lord, humble submission. My lord, I have moved the interlocutory application, my lord. On 28th, today the state of Bihar and the BPSC is filing the supplementary, my lord. But prior to that, I have already moved the application to close the right, my lord.
You're moving the application. Does it mean that an order has been passed closing the right? Even if we pass an order that henceforth no affidavit shall be accepted, still we do. And we do not follow the exact provisions of CPC so far as this aspect is concerned while deciding a writ petition. Please don't strain your lungs any further.
My lord, your lordship has passed the order, my lord.
We will, just a minute, we will also accept your document in response whenever you file it before the court pronounces the judgment. This is the way we deal with the situation.
My lord, your lordship has passed the order, my lord. Your lordship has passed the order on 21st of January to file the reply positively by next date, my lord. They failed to do so.
What did I say? That henceforth, after that date, no affidavit shall be accepted. Have I said that? If I have said that, we will have to recall that order.
No.
It is expressly mentioned to file the reply positively by before the next
Doesn't
date.
matter. You have not been put to any disadvantage, Mr. Counsel. Try and argue only on the merits of the case. Don't get into all that. Unless we have all the facts with us, we will not be able to decide.
Oblige, my lord.
These arguments do not cut any ice with this court. Please keep it in mind. Even if you would like to give any notes, any affidavit, right before the court is about to pronounce the judgment, we will accept it.
Oblige,
Anyway,
Oblige, my
So
lord.
far, yes.
आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, छात्रों और शिक्षकों के साथ मिलकर आवाज उठाने के लिए। सर, छात्रों की बात को मानकर उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करने के लिए। और आप इस लड़ाई में पूरी सहयोग करें अपनी तरफ से, ताकि छात्रों को भलाई हो सके और री एग्जाम हो। बहुत सारे छात्र ऐसे हैं जो असंतुष्ट हैं, उनका पेपर तो निकल गया है लेकिन लग रहा है कि आगे क्या होगा, सिलेक्शन होगा या फिर नहीं, इसके बारे में काफी चिंतित हैं। उस पर आप थोड़ा सा प्रयास करें सुधारने के लिए। आपकी थोड़ी सी प्रयास से अगर छात्र संतुष्ट हैं तो आप बिल्कुल साथ दें। तो आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, अपना कीमती समय देने के लिए। तो वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक कर दें और साथ में चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी राय जरूर दें। बाकी फिर मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो के साथ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।